YouTube, I got my delivery today, which is a perfume. So I would like to show you what kind of perfume I ordered today. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. They give me something like gift. This is for traveling. You can use it. Small one. Anyway, this is a company name and other bag in. So we have got some kind of special. Oh wow! So the first one is Boss. This is Boss, which is I love it. It's 100 ml. You see, it's a quite big size. And this next one is 1 million. Wow! This is 200 ml. So I love this one. This is my favorite. I usually buy this kind of perfume. So I've got another which is empty. I didn't know where is the other one. They should put, but they put empty. It's no good. They should put, you know. Oh my God. Thank you very much for watching my YouTube.